Our mission at the Autism Foundation of Oklahoma is to improve the lives of Oklahomans with autism and their families.
And we really work to support the community and to fill in gaps. Not only do we provide programs, but we try to provide programs that others aren't providing and where we can fill in gaps for needs.
Our mainstay has always been advocacy and awareness, so we're still really involved with that, but now we have expanded into health equity, to public safety, workforce development. We're servicing post-secondary education institutions, and we're even training the justice system in Oklahoma.
Statistics say that individuals with autism are 7 times more likely to intersect with the criminal justice system than your neurotypical individual. Things that a neurodiverse individual may need, such as dimmer lights, more familiar surroundings, things like that. Those things are not understood or not known when they go to court. And so our hope with the training is to ensure that people are truly understanding what they may see in the court and how to advocate for those individuals. Neurodiverse individuals experience an unemployment rate of about 85%, whereas neurotypical individuals only experience between 3 and 4%.
We start with informing employers about what autism is and what to look for. So everything is educational to be able to spot the differences and not to discriminate. I am also autistic, and I also have experience being a recruiter. And so creating these modules have been very insightful because I've been able to look at it through a lens of both a recruiter and as a neurodiverse candidate.
AFO has partnered with the National Cowboy and Western Heritage Museum through providing resources and supports to help build their early childhood department specifically, but also be able to help them to create a more inclusive environment for individuals with autism and families who may have children with autism. So the museum purchased 25 sensory kits, and they are utilizing those kind of as a first step project to make their environment more inclusive. So as patrons come in through the door, they're able to inquire about the sensory kits if they should need them throughout their visit here at the museum.
And we really want to make sure that there's a little bit of something for everyone and a little bit of reprieve if a reprieve is needed here in this space, just to better overall provide an opportunity to our guests who are coming to visit us.
We created training for healthcare professionals and then developed information to go on our website to give basically COVID-19 resources to the public. And then we also had another piece where we created, organized, and hosted sensory-friendly clinics, partnering with county health departments across the state.
We were the first to partner with the Autism Foundation, and we're really proud of that. We see some of these folks coming through our clinic and know what a struggle that can be for the child or the adult with a sensory need, and how scary it can be. So to be able to have a clinic just for them and to be able to accommodate this population was such a blessing for us.
Every adult, every child, every family member impacted by autism is so important. And we want to make sure that they've got the services they need and that we can provide the help needed across the state. And so, our goal and vision really is to reach individual by individual and make a difference in the lives of those impacted and as many lives as we can.
So Oklahoma is estimated to have 100,000 individuals that have autism, and that number is growing every day. More and more autistic adults are being diagnosed. We do work across the lifespan, and so your gift will help us train more employers, more child care providers, more emergency first responders, and be able to provide important resources like our sensory kits.
So as we grow, we want to touch more lives, we want to educate more, and we want to provide those services needed across the state.